Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's video, I will show you how you can fix the OTG problem in your device Oppo A95. So if in this device, if you are having any problem like your OTG is not working or not connecting, you can easily fix the problem by the methods I will show you in this video. Before we start it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can fix the OTG problem in your device Oppo A95. Let's watch the video.